Fidget Squad, and today we're doing another 3 a.m. video.
3 a.m.
Yeah, 3 a.m. And today we're gonna be, do not play with a fidget spinner at 3 a.m.
It's a fidget spinner.
Spooky.
This is definitely
Fidget
a fidget
cube.
spinner.
It's a fidget cube. I meant fidget cube. I'm just so used to saying fidget spinner. Okay, so let's get going. So there are many different signs. There's a joystick that you can
press
push
down, and then you can go woo, woo. And then there's a light switch, which when you press it,
Oh my god!
What did you do? Okay,
The ghost dropped to the camera.
And then when I...
Oh wow, that is awesome.
And then when I...
That's cool. Definitely weren't just reaching over. Oh yeah, and then on this side, it's the whoop.
You can do
Oh,
that.
that was the 666th time I've spun those.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I heard that the number 666 was made because Jesus died on the 666th day of the world being invented, and so that the devil made the number 666 to mock Jesus.
Yeah, I heard of that too.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm saying that before that, the numbers went 664, 665, 667.
Yeah,
Because that makes complete sense.
I remember that.
That makes complete sense.
I remember when that happened. Yeah, because fidget cubes are so old. Oh! Sponsor us.
What?
What?
Okay, guys. So also, there's this side, which goes wee. Wee, you can do that. And then there's also...
Focus, there we go.
And then there's also this side, which you can rub, and it feels good.
It
You
makes
guys
the
try
camera
rubbing
go like
it.
This.
You guys try rubbing it. Yeah, that's good, right?
Yeah.
Comment down below if you think it's good.
Yeah. Comment down below, Susie, Martha, Chelsea, Sean,
Billy.
Make sure to comment down below.
Yeah, Billy. Especially you. Comment now.
Yeah, Billy.
Oh my gosh.
Do it now, Billy. I said do it, Billy. Do it now.
No. Okay, I think that's enough. I think he did. Okay, guys. So let's start playing with it.
Oh wowie. Oh wowie. It's such a good toy. Let me try this.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. I accidentally flicked it. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this ball thing makes them flicker. Oh, it's a pop. I said go. 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 Whoa, it's a party. Whoa. 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 What was that?
Wait, hold on, guys.
Do you hear that?
Absolutely nothing.
Do you hear that?
What was that?
Absolutely nothing.
Oh my gosh, guys. Let's go
check
check
it
it out.
What was that?
Yeah, guys, I think it came from over here.
Yeah.
I think it came from over here. Outside. Oh no, I can't see anything. The ghosts are blocking our view. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't see anything. I think it came from outside.
Let's go.
I think it came from outside.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is fun. Yeah, that makes you feel good. And also, these three, they click, but these three don't. Definitely pressing it. Definitely pressing it. Oh wow, these two don't either. Neither do these. What was that? Huh? Where am I? Whoa! Oh, guys! Guys, come on. Okay, oh, where'd it go? Oh, guys! It's getting closer. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, guys! I'm not moving because I'm stupid. Whoa! Guys, it's gonna kill me. I definitely can't just go and open the door. Oh wait, I was just zoomed in too much. I think it's still like 2 miles away. It's scary.